In the public cloud space, many of you may have heard of these major brands: AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, Huawei Cloud, as well as Alibaba Cloud. All of them offer very high levels of security and levels of services to customers ranging from the very big enterprise customers, including governments, financial services like banks, insurance, and so on, to the small home-based businesses or even to end users. In public cloud, the beauty of it is that there is agility, so you can actually scale up your businesses very quickly. So this actually works very well for startups or for incubation projects within enterprises. There's also elasticity. So for example, on 11/11, Alibaba Cloud actually is able to scale up very quickly to cater to Alibaba Cloud customers because of the ability to actually introduce more compute power for special events. In the US, it'll be Black Friday, Christmas; in Asia, 11/11, 12/12, and so on and so forth. Even insurance companies or even public sector agencies, there will be some workloads that require peak demands, and you need the elasticity. This is where cloud computing offers you that ability like none before. In terms of security, cloud computing actually suffered from a myth that they are not secure, because the idea was, my data is out there somewhere on the cloud. Where is my data? But as people get more informed, as we get more educated, we realize that all these major cloud service providers are actually more secure because of the economies of scale. Each of them can actually invest in perimeter defenses, security, that a small company or even a large company on its own may not have the economies of scale to achieve. Many of these major cloud service providers are actually on tier 3 plus and above. So that gives us the assurance that they are very highly reliable. The resilience is there. They have usually multiple streams of power equipment. There's multiple network points, multiple internet service providers, for example. At the same time, the cloud service providers are able to secure the physical data center. Because while we talk about cloud, it's not an airy-fairy thing. Your data is not somewhere out there on the cloud, right? It actually physically resides on a physical data center somewhere. It just means that you may not know exactly where it is, but your data is sitting somewhere within the cloud service provider. The beauty of having cloud computing is that you have a resilient data. Many times, if you architect your cloud properly, you can actually have your data replicated seamlessly across multiple regions, provided the policy allows for data to reside outside of the country. Because there will be times where data residency plays a huge part, especially for financial services and obviously for government. Focus is very well versed in all of these requirements and regulations. We are able to take our customers through the entire cloud journey, from architecture, design, advisory, to implementation, migration, integration between hybrid cloud, or even multi-cloud strategies. At the end of it, to also help manage your cloud deployments. We pride ourselves in being a very deep cloud specialist. Talk to us if you have a need to embark on a cloud journey.